This is a 2017 GMC Sierra, all-terrain, crew cab, blue over black, leather interior, dual power seats, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, Bose audio, OnStar, navigation, satellite radio, heated seats, electronic climate control, traction control, adjustable pedals, wireless charging for your cell phone. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Cadillac, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.